Hey everyone, this is Team Hashmine and this is our submission for the Hackfest 2021. So we have made an application called HashPay.ar. It is an AR-enabled payment application which is backed by facial recognition using deep learning and Ethereum blockchain for the blockchain transactions. So this app is made to avoid the hassles of entering banking details every time you make a payment transaction. So you don't have to enter the IFSC code or any other details in our application. So we have supported many currencies, which involves Nepal rupees, Indian rupees, and cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. And we have used Ganache for the personal blockchain. So the 3 steps involved in our application is scanning the face, choosing the currency, and entering the amount. And this leads to a successful transaction on the blockchain backend. So as you can see, a person named Tanmay is trying to register through our application. So he has to enter the following details, which is his name, his phone number, his security PIN. Then he also has to select the bank or the Ethereum wallet, whichever is required for registration. Then, as you can see, he's entering the PIN right now. Then he chooses Ethereum wallet and he uploads his image. And in our case, we're using KYC, which is Know Your Customer, to verify the person and link him with his image. So in this case, our application now knows that this image refers to Tanmay, and we have also information about his banking information like Ethereum wallets and etc. So now our model can recognize Tanmay. So as you can see, now I am trying to scan Tanmay's face and trying to make a payment. So the deep learning model identifies Tanmay, and the AR model, which is used based on Unity and Vuforia, tries to identify Tanmay and displays his name and 3 options to make the payment. So Ethereum, Nepal rupees, and rupees. In our case, we have chosen Ethereum and pick the virtual button to proceed with the transaction. So now we have selected 10 ethers for the payment, and now we are entering the OTP for security purposes, for verifying that it's me. Now we confirm the OTP, and as you can see, a successful transaction was made of 10 ethers, and now my current balance is 90 ethers. So the backend side of it is that we have used a Ganache. We have used Ganache, which is a personal Ethereum blockchain. And as you can see, this console displays like what happened in the backend of it. So as you can see, there's the block 1 is there and has the transaction hash for it. So every transaction, payment transaction made, creates a new block, and you can have the information about it in the backend. So as you can see, 4 blocks were created. So during our testing, we made some 4 transactions. So these are displayed in the blockchain by this console. So in this way, we are trying to secure the transaction using Ethereum blockchain, and we have used deep learning for identification of the person. So by facial recognition, we are identifying that the person is the one specified, and then AR is used for some visual help so that we can see that what are modes of payment are available, and then after selecting the mode of payment, we can complete the transaction. And Ethereum is used for the transaction backend. And you can visit the code for more information on how to run the application. Thank you.